Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying power and basic hardware because without charge, nothing else will work. Plug the original charger firmly, swap outlets, and if available, try a known good charger for 10 to 15 minutes. Once done, look for the power LED or any flicker on the screen and inspect the hinge and charging port for dirt or damage. If you see corrosion or a loose cable, stop and replace the cable. Otherwise, move on to reset steps to clear minor firmware hangs. Now perform the resets and boot diagnostics that fix most startup issues quickly. You do a hard reset by holding refresh and power together for 10 seconds to clear transient firmware locks, then release and try a normal power on. If the screen stays blank, boot into recovery by pressing ESC, refresh, and power together and watch for the recovery screen. Make sure to remove USB drives, SD cards, and peripherals because an external device can stall the boot process and block start. Finish by recovering or reinstalling the OS only if earlier steps fail. Create a recovery USB on another computer with the Chromebook recovery utility, then boot to it and reinstall system software. This fixes corrupted files. If reinstalling isn't possible, perform a power wash after confirming your Google account sync and backups. One key troubleshooting tip. Write down any error codes or on-screen messages and the model number before contacting support or the vendor. Those details speed diagnosis and warranty service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.